Dear students, today we will learn how to quickly scan pages and convert them into PDF file. For that, you need to install Adobe Scan application from the Play Store. Now, this is the first page which I want to scan. You can also adjust the borders. After adjusting the border, click on Continue. You can scan the second page and so on. After scanning all the pages, click on the box which is at the bottom right hand side. Now you need to change the color of your document. Click on Color, Apply to all pages and select Original Color. After changing the document's color, click on Save PDF. Now you need to select the path where you want to copy your document. Click on Share, Share a copy. Click on the yellow icon which is Copy to. Search the path where you want to copy the file. I have copied my file in the Documents folder and paste. Thank you.